ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan, pila ru ban chukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan kejingalang meningkong jongka regional committee na kabanta ka West Jylliew Hills kelas sedang haka khatsau teri Jylliew hatar arpulai haka balai shimenta da chairman jongka regional committee na ka Jilla Meghalaya uba snya bhalang dhar ubalong ru sembut menteri jongka Jilla katba na ka Jilla Assam la Mikhamat da Piyush Hazarika ubalong menteri sarkar. Hakajingalang kabalalong State Convention Center hanong ba Shillong layatheria tai sanibha hakabaya day bekijaka kibadan hapadeng kajinga Khappud hakathan block 1 kapsiar Khanduli ha West Jylliew Hills District but ka West Karbi Anglong District ubasnya bhalang dhar hakajinga keranjong ubekila pathai khubor ulayathu bakani kajingalang kalayakran saniru hakabaya day bakajingnait Sorjamin yakishnong kibadan hapadeng kajinga Khappud hakathan block 1 but hakapsiar Khanduli Kiway par kibalay shimenta haganing jingalang ki kenthum ya ki deputy commissioner jongka West Jylliew Hills District but ka West Karbi Anglong District ki MDC jongka Jylliew Hills Autonomous District Council but ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council kenthub ru ikinong yalam shnong ki Artli ki district jongka Jilla Meghalaya but Assam.
Today is a first meeting, so at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the members. And we had decided the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about this second phase of water. So in the days to come, so the respective member will come to both sides and start going to the side and the field, and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks.
So who all attended this meeting? Anybody?
Yes, sir is PUC, the chairman regional committee from Assam, and I'm the chairman from the side, along the other members.
What will be your approach when dealing with these areas?
No, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the minimum.
You want to achieve it?
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided, so let us go to the field and all the local amicably. Yeah, we will listen from them and everything will be solved amicably from both states. So jointly visit, actually both the chief ministers desire to visit, so we will wait the time from them. The regional committee will see, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month, we will visit. Mention anything about 30-40 years, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come the actual figure in next meeting.
Khanduli is always a problem.
You see, block 1 is different and share Khanduli is different. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main need now.